Hi!
Hey, good morning!
Good morning! How are you?
I'm great.
Finally you have your gear.
I do have my gear.
Yay!
So our luggage arrived yesterday. And so we're one big happy family again.
Yeah. The two things that you're most excited about today?
The fact that we're going to Italy, the fact that we have a guide that teaches us real proper powder ski, and third thing...
No, I only asked for two, so it's fine.
I'm going to give you a third thing.
Okay.
Food.
Food.
All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come
I feel like maybe like a glass of wine.
Voila!
Would you like some more wine?
I would love some more wine.
I'll do that.
Served with the gloves.
Have you noticed skiing at all?
Why are we in the car again?
I'm not quite sure. I think we're heading to a spa place.
Oh. You know what? It smells like horseshit. So okay if you stand next to each other. Aren't you on a like ski vacation
In France.
in France
And then we ended up in Italy.
on a spa?
On a spa.
Good morning, Maria.
Morning.
You seem to be in the sun. This is nice, right? I mean, look at this view. Bye, Josefine! Maria, where are we? We're at the... Now we are at the Grand Monte. Yeah. And it's pretty amazing, right?
Maria, tell me, how was that?
It's the most amazing ever.
Yeah.
The usual question, Maria, where are you?
Where are we? I'll show you. That top right there.
Which one?
That's Mont Blanc.
Could you point? Like
Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc?
that one?
Yeah.
Hello, Mont Blanc.
Hello. How you doing?
So we are going down Vallée Blanche today.
Yes, we are.
Vallée Blanche.
Currently, we're gonna ski for hours now.
And we've just been walking down this bridge right here, L'Arête to be correct. And now we're gonna go ski down the Vallée Blanche. Put the skis on. Okay, let's get ready.
Maria, are you having a good day?
Having the best day. What about you?
Yeah.
There are no words. This feels like Ice Age. The movie.
I staged the movie.
This is where the squirrel is. It is a squirrel, huh?
You are in the...
Black Crow head office in Chamonix.
Yay! Hello.
Wow. My forehead is really long.
Oh.
If I have it like this.
You think it looks better?
No, I can't do this.
We can't do it.
Kamika.
Oh, it is?
No way.
That's so
No
cool.
way.
So we skied down this glacier today.
Yes, we did.
Yeah?
But 5 minutes we'll be in Italy.
Hello!
Hey, so surprise, surprise. This is alright.
It's our ride! Oh my god, hello!
And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over.
get this out of my face.
You're still smiling, aren't you?
Get it off.
You can't get it off.
Come off.
Because where were you just now? You were...
We were everywhere.
We were everywhere. In your little toy back there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but this day, it was maybe the best day of my entire life. Hi.
Oh, let me film you.
Okay.
And hey, Emma. Hey. Let's continue.
Let's continue.
Best part up here.
Okay, I'll follow you. Look at that view from our garden. Wait, where's Emma? Emma!
I feel so glamorous.
You are.
Maybe get some of the fresh olive sun.
Yes. Yes. Emma, what are you doing? Don't spy on the neighbors. Hey.
With this amazing view, we want to say thank you, Chamonix, for this week. And we'll be back.